All right, guys, check this one out. This is a custom grill set that we just had done for a customer. This one here is 10K gold. It is not gold plated. This is real solid gold, guys. So you got the full set on this one. It's an 8 top, 8 bottom. And I'll show you the back side. So these just snap right on the teeth. Okay. Here's the back side. They're designed from an actual impression of the customer's teeth, so they will fit perfectly. Check that out. Nice and snug. These are handmade. Real gold, guys. You got your 10K stamp right there. Okay, so this is available on our website, blingcartel.com. You can order right online. Check the link in the description. It takes you right to the product page right there. And you choose how many teeth you want. You want a top, bottom, or a set. That's up to you. But you will receive a beautiful grill just like this. First, you'll get the mold kit. You make an impression of your teeth with the mold kit, send it back to us, and this is the result. Check that out. blingcartel.com, guys. Check it out online. Thanks for watching, and as always, y'all have a good one.